In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest photos to Canva. You can add an image from Pinterest to Canva, but the easiest method is to save an image from Pinterest to your device first and then upload it to Canva later. So go to Pinterest basically and just find the picture that you want to use. Click on it to open it. As an example, I'm going to use like one of random pictures here. And before saving anything, it's a good idea to check where the image originally come from, especially if you're planning to use it in a public content. So just make sure to have a permission to use the image if you're using it commercially or publicly or something like that. So of course, once you do so, once you find the image that you want, click on the three dots, click on download image, and it will be downloaded into your PC. So once you save the picture, you'll need to go and open Canva. Make sure, as an example, to go to any design that you have, or you can create a new design. From here, you can go to this left panel and click on Uploads. And here, you'll need to go and upload files. Once you click on Upload Files, choose the image that you just downloaded from Pinterest. Once it's fully uploaded, you can just simply click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to use it on Canva with no problem. So you can add the photo to your design. And here you can move it, resize it, crop it, do whatever suits you. So you can add text, other elements, use the Canva photo editing tools, and you can also drag the photo directly into the frame if your design example already has one. And also if you're using a PC, if you don't have to even come here, as example, click on upload files or something like that. You can directly from your downloads just go and drag it and you'll be able to use it. And of course, once you drag it, if you go to uploads, you'll find it's added there as well. You can delete it or move it from trash or do whatever you want. So that's how you add a Pinterest photo to Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.